Hello, IELTS candidates, and welcome to our IELTS Secrets podcast. Today, an IELTS candidate will be answering the examiner's questions about getting up early. Firstly, you will see the examiner's question. Then, you will see the student's response. Finally, you will see an improved version that could help the student achieve a higher speaking score in the exam. When you see the improved version, ask yourself, why is the second response better than the original? Let's get started.
Now, let's talk about getting up early. Do you often get up early in the morning?
Well, I think that I just get up early because I go to school in the morning, like 7 a.m. But I don't really want to get up early because I don't know. I just in the night and I just sleep over the one and. Actually, I just get up and go to school. I don't have much time to eat the breakfast or maybe to communicate with my mother and just put up my things in.
Yes, I usually wake up early because I have to go to school in the morning, around 7 a.m. But I don't really like getting up early because I tend to stay up late at night and end up sleeping in. Actually, I just wake up and go straight to school. I don't have much time to eat breakfast or to talk with my mother. I just quickly gather my things and leave.
What kinds of people usually get up early?
I think the people that just have a routine in the all day and have enough time to get up early is that people that go to bed and, like I don't think 10 p.m. or maybe.
I think people who have a structured daily routine and enough time to wake up early are the ones who usually do so. They tend to go to bed around 10 p.m. or earlier.
Ask yourself the following question. Why is the second response better than the first? Would you like an IELTS expert to evaluate and correct your speaking responses? Remember, it's through your dedicated practice that you can perfect your skills. So keep practicing and see the difference it makes in your performance. Remember, you're not alone in this journey. Feel free to visit our website for comprehensive support and guidance. We're here to help you succeed in your IELTS examination. Best of luck.